Hello everybody, I'm Debbie Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update where I talk about everything that's going on in the Milpitas market. So I want to share with you a couple things. Open house activity, had two great open houses in Milpitas this weekend. We'll share that. There's a great article. I want to talk about the mentality of home buyers and what they need to think about. And then another article from the San Jose Mercury News talking about the impact of current interest rates on real estate in general. So let's start with open house. So Saturday, Sunday had two open houses, two different homes. One at 1051 Crescent Terrace in Milpitas and the other at 2235 Skyline Drive in Milpitas. They're both located in the Hillcrest area. One, the Skyline Properties up in a little bit newer area, has a different feel than the Crescent Terrace, which is a little older home. They both have about the same square footage. They're 4-bedroom, 3 baths. They have different features and there are different products, but they're priced the same, $2,798,888. That did bring in over the weekend to each property 25 to 30 families looking at homes in that price range. So that's amazing that I think that we have that amount of foot traffic and that amount of interest. So we'll hold our breath and wait and see if any of the properties do get sold and what the values are on that. So what do home buyers, what is the mentality and what are some of the misconceptions about home buying? So number one, some buyers wait till spring. Well, if you do that, granted there'll be more inventory coming up for sale, but there'll also be more competition of buyers, more buyers out there looking. So waiting for spring to buy may not be the best mode of operation. Wait for home prices to come down. You know, we've talked about that. During the pandemic, there was discussion about a recession and possible home prices coming down. They did adjust with the higher interest rates, maybe another 5 or 10%. They did come down, but the counterbalance is the interest rates are higher. So in effect, the buyers are still paying about the same per month as they would be in a mortgage for any other product. So also the rents are not coming down. So if you're renting a home, don't expect the rents to come down. It's a great time, I think, to buy a piece of property, raise your family, get locked in to a home that you can have a school district that's good or a place that you can rest assured that it is your property. And so there's so much value in home ownership, and a lot of buyers need to consider that. So what is going on with mortgage rates? They're hovering around the high 6s, low 7%. If you get pretty creative, you can probably maybe find something in the mid 6s with an ARM, which is an adjustable rate mortgage, with the expectation that maybe in the next 2 or 3 years, interest rates may come down and you can refinance that property. So that's kind of the mentality now. So the San Jose Mercury News talked about mortgage rates stifle the housing market. I'm actually not finding that to be true with properties that are well positioned in the market in terms of pricing, staging, and presentation, and they are in a good location and in a good school. They're still getting multiple offers, so there's still a huge demand for that. So what do I got coming up? I'm real excited. 210 Butler Street in Milpitas. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in the Manor area, a little bit over 1,461 square feet. The price point is $1,568,888. So it's a good value coming in. That's about a medium price in Milpitas. We're currently painting the outside, all new fresh paint inside, refinishing of the hardwood floors, and then we'll be cleaning that and staging it, and that should be ready to go in a few weeks. And then 1397 Mount Shasta Avenue in Milpitas. I've talked about that for quite a few months. The seller is finally moving out in another week. He's built a home in Virginia and be traveling back there to live permanently. So we're getting that home ready, but he's done a great job of painting the outside, fresh paint, did about $10,000 worth of landscaping outside. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, single story. about 1,200 square foot in the Cortland Estates area, so there's no HOA dues, and it's in the Senate Elementary School also. And the price point on that is a great entry level, $1,198,888. So I'm excited. That should come on next month. So give me a call if you want to get your home ready. It is a great market, 408-945-8988 or giordanodj@aol.com. We'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.